What's up, guys? Today we doing the vpmax dual feed. I got all my ports off. About to get ready and get started. Got the back port clear, and I also got the hard to get front port. So I got the front fitting on, tighten it up. It was kind of tricky, but nothing crazy. Screwed right in. Fitting was kind of big enough for the case, too big for the case, but I still got it on. Just forced it on there. Boom, nice and tight. Check the back fitting. And just like that, the heat pump is now dual feed. Just got to connect this last line. It's not a problem. We're done. One more fuel.